In 2025, breaking into the remote work world might seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting your career. The good news? There are plenty of companies actively hiring people with zero experience right now. That means even without previous work history, you can land a legitimate, remote job that pays well and offers real growth potential. Imagine building a rewarding career from your home office, making a full-time income without fighting traffic, dealing with office politics, or spending years climbing the corporate ladder the traditional way. Today, we're exploring 9 remote jobs that are not only hiring beginners, but also paying competitive salaries to people with 0 to 1 year of experience. These aren't just entry-level positions with future potential. They're roles where you can earn between $40,000 to $70,000 right from the start, even with no previous work history in the field. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'm also sharing 3 proven application strategies that can help you stand out from other candidates and get hired faster, even without experience. Number 1, Technical Support Representative. Technical support representatives help customers troubleshoot problems with software, websites, or digital products. They provide solutions via chat, email, or phone calls. What makes this role beginner-friendly is that most companies provide comprehensive training on their specific products. Starting salaries for technical support representatives typically range between $45,000 and $60,000 per year. Companies like Shopify, Zendesk, and countless SaaS businesses are constantly expanding their support teams. Number 2, Data Entry Specialist. For those who are detail-oriented and enjoy structured work, data entry could be your ticket into remote work. Data entry specialists input, update, and maintain information in databases and spreadsheets. Accuracy and attention to detail are more important than prior experience in this role, which is why it's perfect for beginners. Entry-level data entry specialists typically earn between $35,000 and $45,000 annually. The greatest advantage of this role is the low barrier to entry. If you can type accurately, follow instructions precisely, and stay organized, you already have what companies need. Number 3, Junior Software Tester. Don't let the software part intimidate you. Many companies hire beginners for testing roles with no coding experience required. Software testers verify that applications work correctly by following test scripts, reporting bugs, and documenting issues. Junior software testers typically start at $50,000 to $65,000 annually. As you gain experience and learn automated testing skills, this can quickly increase. What makes this role accessible is that companies are looking for people with fresh perspectives and attention to detail rather than technical backgrounds. Number 4, Online ESL Teacher. If you're a native or fluent English speaker with good communication skills, teaching English online can be an accessible entry point to remote work. Online ESL teachers conduct virtual classes for students learning English as a second language. New ESL teachers generally earn between $15 to $25 per hour, which can translate to $40,000 to $50,000 annually with consistent hours. Many platforms allow you to set your own schedule, making this ideal for flexibility. The most important requirements are fluency in English, patience, and enthusiasm for helping others learn. Number 5, Transcriptionist. For those with strong listening skills and fast typing abilities, transcription work offers a straightforward entry into remote work. Transcriptionists convert audio and video recordings into written documents. Beginning transcriptionists typically earn between $15 to $25 per hour, with potential to increase as you gain speed and expertise. Working full-time, this translates to approximately $38,000 to $52,000 annually. You don't need prior experience, just good hearing, accurate typing skills, minimum 60 words per minute, and attention to detail. Number 6, Junior Graphic Designer. If you have creative skills and an eye for design, you might be surprised how quickly you can break into remote graphic design work. Junior graphic designers create visual elements for websites, social media, marketing materials, and more. Entry-level graphic designers can expect to earn between $45,000 and $60,000 annually, with significant growth potential as your portfolio expands. What makes this accessible is that employers care more about your design abilities than formal experience. A strong portfolio of personal projects can often substitute for work experience. Number 7. Community moderator. For those who enjoy online engagement and helping maintain positive social environments, community moderation offers excellent remote opportunities. Community moderators oversee online spaces like forums, social media groups, and chat platforms. They enforce community guidelines, answer questions, and foster positive member interactions. Beginning community moderators typically earn between $40,000 and $55,000 per year. Previous experience isn't necessary. Number 8. Recruiting coordinator. If you have strong people skills and enjoy helping others find opportunities, recruiting coordination could be your ideal start in remote work. Recruiting coordinators support the hiring process by scheduling interviews, communicating with candidates, and managing applicant information. Entry-level recruiting coordinators typically earn between $45,000 and $65,000 annually. This role often leads to advancement into full recruiting or HR positions. What makes this accessible to beginners is that companies value organization, communication, and attention to detail over previous recruiting experience. Number 9. Email marketing assistant. For those interested in digital marketing but lacking experience, email marketing offers an excellent entry point with substantial growth potential. Email marketing assistants help create newsletters, promotional campaigns, and automated email sequences. Beginning email marketers can expect to earn between $40,000 and $60,000 annually. As you develop specialized skills in areas like automation or copywriting, this can increase substantially. These 9 remote jobs demonstrate that you don't need years of experience to start a fulfilling online career in 2025. Each offers real earning potential, genuine opportunities for advancement, and the freedom of working from anywhere. Before applying, focus on highlighting your transferable skills, communication abilities, organizational talents, technical aptitude, and willingness to learn. These often matter more to employers than formal experience. Most importantly, don't wait until you feel ready enough to apply. Update your resume to highlight relevant skills, create samples of work where possible, and start submitting applications consistently. The remote job market rewards those who take action. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more practical advice on building your location-independent career from scratch.